Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. I have two books for you today. One of them is a fiction book and one of them is a nonfiction book. How I tell the difference is that fiction books are fake and nonfiction books are not fake. So the first one I'm going to read you is the nonfiction book. So this one is a real book about real things. It is called Caterpillar to Butterfly and it's by National Geographic Kids. Oh, the author is Laura Marsh. Here is the title page. Here's the table of contents. Sometimes books have these and it tells you where you can find certain things in the book. So if you want to just read about caterpillars, you can go to page 12 and read about caterpillars. This is riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? What do you think? A butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors. Some have bold patterns too. Four stages. Number 1 is the egg. Number 2 is the caterpillar. 3 is the chrysalis, and 4 is the butterfly. So it says, it's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Okay, stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food. Caterpillar food, that is. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. Oh, look at right here. It says old skin. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. So that's 2 weeks. So it'll stay in there for 2 weeks. Stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. Usually if we have these in class, I make it some food with some sugar in water. Cool butterfly facts. Number 1, butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Did you know that? Number 2, the world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It's the length of a pushpin from wing to wing. Number 3, butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica and the driest deserts. Oh, so they're even in the Arctic because it says only in Antarctica. So maybe where we were reading our research projects, I guess there's butterflies there too. Number 4, there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Number 5, butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. So instead of using their tongues, they use their feet to taste their food. Number 6, the world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. Back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Oh, look right here. It says some hide using camouflage. Some can be deadly to eat. Oh, so those ones are poisonous. Okay. Oh, and then some look like other things. Like, what do you think this looks like? I think it looks kind of like a snake. But it's really a caterpillar. Moth or butterfly? Moths and butterflies look alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. So butterflies, their antennae are thin and have little knobs at the end. Bodies are slender. Bless you. Bless you. Can be brightly colored, and they mostly fly during the day. Moths have antennas slim to a point and end like feathers. Oh, so look at their antennas look like feathers. And their bodies are fat and furry. And they're usually brown, tan, or white. And they mostly fly at night. Okay, so butterflies are awake during the day, and moths are at night. Remember we learned about nocturnal animals? So moths are nocturnal. They're at nighttime. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult for help. Here's what you'll need. Plants that are local to your area. Plants that bloom at different times. Orange, purple, yellow, pink, and red flowers. Flowers that are clustered together. Flat-topped flowers. A sunny spot for butterflies to rest like a flat stone. A wet or watery spot for butterflies to drink, and no chemicals. So maybe you guys could work on planting a butterfly garden this spring. That would be pretty fun. Okay, so this was the nonfiction book. It's a true book, so those are really about butterflies. But guess what? I also have a nonfiction book for you. It's called The Very Impatient Caterpillar. So this one is fiction. It is fake.